Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming location services and iOS are current so Maps gets accurate positioning. Once done, open Apple Maps and type a destination in the search bar. It finds addresses, businesses, and coordinates. Tap Directions, choose Driving, Walking, or Transit, and glance at the route preview to pick alternatives. Make sure to select your preferred route immediately. This sets the map view and ETA. Doing these steps first gets you moving without wasted navigation fiddling. Now refine how you travel. Select the transport mode and tap options to avoid tolls or highways if needed. This changes the plan and why you might save time or distance. Once you pick a route, look at lane guidance and step-by-step ETA details. These reduce last-minute lane changes. If using transit, swipe up for schedules, transfer info, and platform hints. You can also add stops or reorder waypoints. Doing so keeps your trip efficient and predictable. Tap Go to start navigation and follow turn-by-turn directions. The banner shows the next maneuver so you know what's coming. Once underway, share your ETA or route with contacts, add a stop, or drop a pin to save a place. If directions feel wrong or the app stalls, first toggle location services or force quit Maps and reopen it. This usually restores correct GPS and routing. If problems persist, restart the iPhone to clear system-level issues and retry the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.